Show you how you can easily edit and retouch skin by just simply playing this action and brushing over the skin to retouch your images in just a few seconds. So just come, click on the actions and simply select the close-up action and play the action. So the action is going to create for me these layers, and all I have to do once the action is done playing for me these layers, I'll simply get the brush tool, that is a soft round brush tool, and start painting on the skin. So just get the brush tool and opacity is 100% with a flow of about 65%. Remember, it is soft round brush, the hardness is set to 0, and simply start painting over the skin to retouch it. So I'm just going to quickly paint on the skin just like this. So I'll just paint on the skin, and you can see every area I start painting, the skin is going to be edited or retouched in this case. So I'll quickly paint right there, and within less than 30 seconds you can see the skin is going to be retouched in this very kind of video. So I don't want to forward anything because I'll show you how effective these actions are going to be. So for the nose, just paint only on the dark areas of the nose. So in case you want to increase on the textures in the skin, simply open up the group right here and double click on the high pass and simply increase on the radius slightly to around 2.1 and click on OK. And after clicking on OK, close the group. So in case you want to double or intensify the retouching effect on the image, with this group selected, simply press Command J to double the effect, and you can see it is now creating these layers. So in case you're interested in purchasing this action, simply tap on the link on my profile bio. You can simply drop a comment in the comment section and I'll send you the link to purchase these actions that are going to help you retouch your photos better and faster when it comes to Photoshop. You can see this is the image before, after, before, after, before and after. We have retained the original skin textures, but we have as well retouched this very image within a few seconds. So don't forget to enjoy these actions and give me feedback in case you have any kinds of issues. Don't forget, keep practicing and as well keep creating.